These ain't presets, they're not complicated. They're just sounds I trust before I record them into the MPC. Custom. I can build these fast. I'm not looking for perfection. I'm just looking for movement. So when it comes down to sample, it's just real nice. This one's about weight, but it still moves when you hold that note down. So this one isn't a chord synth, but it can become one when I sample it. Gonna let that sustain ring out a little bit. I will let this one sound like a sort of sequenced lead sort of way, you know, it's got the character of a lead, but then it's still got that movement in it, so I can do whatever I want with it later on down the line. Sounds something like this. Short sounds can tell you a lot about a synth. Let's get a little plucky sound going. I always want a bit of a messy sound, so let's grab some noise as well. So now I've got my 5 sounds. It's time to get the sounds from the Moog Messenger to the MPC, ready for some beat making. So here's the synths once they live inside of the MPC. You can see the audio is just there, all recorded, ready to be used now. So we're gonna get started. That's enough to start a little 8-bar groove, and that's just from recording the synths and getting them into key groups and along the keypad and that. So having a signature sound isn't complexity, it's just consistency. In the next episode, I'm gonna show you how I turn those patches into a full track. Stay locked in.